It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing, guess what? My birthday nails, okay? So I'm going to be using the Scorpio charm. You all will be able to grab these. Go on over to afroglamnails.com. You can shop till you drop and use the code itzsirap so that you can save 10% off, okay? So I'm going to keep all of these for later. Maybe I'll get a model or something that has these signs. It does come with all 12 of them, okay? So I'm going to be using the Scorpio, okay? And for the acrylic, now I've been saving this one. Been saving it up. This one is pink with glitter, and you see that kind of gold glitter in there. I feel like this is just going to be everything, okay? So I'm going to be using that and probably some gold Scorpio sticker accents, and that is going to be my birthday set. So let's get started. Of course, I'm going to be using my edge tips, and for my nails, I just got the product that I had on here kind of low, and I'm going to push back my cuticle area, go in with the sanding band, and then I'm just going to work right on top of this. I'm not going to fully remove this, okay? So I'm just going to do my prep kind of like I'm doing a fill-in, but I'm going to add the tips and do the set like that. So let's get started. So I'm just showing you the clear acrylic that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to put some of that monomer in my dapping dish. I have already started, and the main part of the application that I want to focus on in this video is how to get the acrylic on the sides of the tips. So as you can see, I'm using the edge tips, and you don't necessarily want to lay the acrylic the way you normally do. You want to try to keep those sides flat. So what I do is kind of do one side at a time. I found that that works easier when I'm using a tip. I can just add product to this side, then go to the other side and back and forth until I build it up how I like it. So I'm starting at the tip, getting that product there. And because this monomer is slow setting, that is why I'm just taking my time and just making sure that I keep putting the product back up on the nail if it slides down or anything like that. You want to make sure that you are keeping that shape in. You don't want to just keep adding product. You want to make sure that you are running along the sides, making sure that the sides are clean and that that tip is clean, because we want to keep that edge in at the tip how it is at that angle. We want to keep that. So here I'm just blending the product up onto the natural nail area, and you could do kind of like a glitter ombre fade and leave it how it looks right now, or you can do what I did off camera and completely bring that product up to the cuticle area. So you can see I'm just using my brush to just tap everything and make sure that it's nice and flat along those sides. So now I'm just going to add the product on up like the other hand, and after I do that, it is time to get into the designs, okay? So these are the Scorpio stickers that I was talking about. I did find these little beauty stickers that had like gold and black. I thought that that would go cute with the design, as well as these old kiss stickers from forever, many years ago, that I decided to use as well. So what I'm going to do is apply a base coat, and this is how I apply the base coat. I kind of just roughly get it on there, and then I go closer toward the cuticle area to be a little bit more precise. So what I like to do with the stickers is basically sandwich them in between the base and the top coat. So I'm going to cure the base coat, and while it is still tacky, I'm going to place my stickers on that. So here you see me using these little tweezers that came in the Bellavina kit to place that sticker. After I have those placed, I top coat it and put the nails in the lamp again. So now I am going in with this number 2 acrylic brush, and I'm putting a little dot of acrylic on this nail so that I can adhere my Scorpio charm. So I decided to start out with just a little bead of acrylic, and I put it how I wanted it and held it in place so that the acrylic can cure. And then I went back in with that same number 2 brush and added more beads up under it to fully secure it to the nail. Of course, you can do this with gel. I decided to do it with acrylic because acrylic will stick to pretty much anything. So since I had already top coated, I decided to go on and do this with the acrylic. So I'm trying to keep it as flat to the nail as possible and fill in any gaps so that it doesn't snag on anything or anything like that. So these are all of the Afro Glam nails products that I used. So of course you can get all of these goodies from afroglamnails.com. I do have the link and a coupon code in the description bar, so definitely make sure that you check her business out. She has even more new acrylics that I have shown in a live swatch video, so check that video out if you missed it. At this point of the video, I was feeling the set and I looked at my nails and said, ooh, it's looking a little dry. So I had to go in with my cuticle oil. If you need some cuticle oil, let me know. I have a lot of them in stock. So let me know if you would like to order some of that. I have different scents. This one that I'm using in the video is lemon. I love the way it smells, so that's what I use. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see you in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.